So over here, you can see that I am here in Handbrake. And let's say what I want to do is I want to import out some media files that I want to convert. In that case, you can click on open source. And here, what you can actually do is you can go ahead and then open up a single file right here. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and select out this particular file right here, and it simply opens out that file right here. You can even see the preview of that file right here, just like this. You can also alternatively open out an entire folder as you want. Let's say, for example, I have this videos folder right here, just like this, and you can see that I got folders right here and so forth. But let me just go around and import out some photos that I have right here. So you can see that I got photo collection right here. I can simply go ahead and import out photos as well. And once you do that, you can see that the photo right here has been imported out as well. And now this is how you can go ahead and import out entire batch files, or just go ahead and then import out file as you wish inside of Handbrake. And as we move along the course, we're going to see how we can work around with individual files and multiple files all at once as we move along. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.